Rihanna and A$AP Rocki have captured the hearts of fans worldwide, not only for their immense talent, but also for the love story that has quietly unfolded under the bright glare of the public eye. From the moment their paths first crossed in the early 2010s, their connection was undeniable. While initially friends and collaborators, their bond evolved into a romantic partnership that blends artistry, fashion, and an unbreakable support system. Rihanna, the global icon with over 250 million records sold, 9 Grammy Awards, and the founder of revolutionary brands like Fenty Beauty and Savage X Fenty, embodies the fearless visionary. Her influence extends far beyond music. She has reshaped fashion, championed inclusivity, and now navigates the delicate balance of motherhood with the same poise that has defined her career. A$AP Rocki, the Harlem-born rapper, fashion trailblazer, and creative entrepreneur, complements Rihanna perfectly. Known for his boundary-pushing style and his ability to merge street culture with high fashion, Rocki has carved out a career that is as multifaceted as Rihanna's. He has released chart-topping albums, collaborated with luxury brands, and launched entrepreneurial ventures like his Mercer Plus Prince whiskey line. Beyond his accolades, Rocki has shown unwavering dedication as a partner and father, supporting Rihanna through high-profile events, public scrutiny, and personal milestones. Together, they represent a modern power couple whose love is as much about mutual respect and creative collaboration as it is about shared experiences. Their relationship has blossomed into something deeply inspiring, culminating in the recent and joyful announcement that they have welcomed a beautiful baby girl, Rocki Irish Mayers, into their family. This newest addition follows their 2 sons, RZA and Riot, and reflects the couple's penchant for meaningful, symbolic names. Fans and media outlets alike were captivated by the reveal, which perfectly encapsulated the couple's approach to public life. Private, yet elegantly shared through style, symbolism, and moments that matter. Their journey from high-profile romance to parenthood demonstrates resilience, partnership, and the ability to navigate the complexities of fame while keeping family at the heart of their story. What makes Rihanna and Rocki's story truly remarkable is not only their professional achievements, but also their unwavering commitment to each other. They have faced legal challenges, media speculation, and the pressures of public life, yet their partnership remains strong, grounded in mutual respect and shared vision. Rihanna continues to inspire as a mother, entrepreneur, and artist, while Rocki proves that success can coexist with vulnerability and devotion. Together, they have created a narrative that resonates with fans around the world, a story of love, creativity, and family that continues to evolve with each milestone, from red carpet appearances to their most intimate moments shared with the public. In the bigger picture, while fans and media will continue to celebrate every development in their lives, the true lesson lies in focusing on what matters most: personal growth, family, and maintaining mental, physical, spiritual, and financial well-being. Rihanna and A$AP Rocki's story is a beautiful reminder that success and love are not mutually exclusive, and that even in the spotlight, it's possible to prioritize what truly matters. Their journey is one of inspiration, showing us that even amidst fame and fortune, the essence of life is found in love, resilience, and building a legacy together. Rihanna and A$AP Rocki's announcement of their baby girl, Rocki Irish Mayers, has sent waves of joy across the globe. Fans, fellow artists, and fashion icons alike have flooded social media with heartfelt congratulations, celebrating this newest addition to one of the most admired celebrity families of our time. It's a moment of pure happiness, a reminder that amidst the whirlwind of fame, music, fashion, and entrepreneurship, love and family remain at the core of life's most meaningful milestones. Rocki's arrival is more than just a baby announcement. It's a celebration of love, partnership, and the promise of new beginnings. Their family, which includes their 2 sons, RZA and Riot, exemplifies harmony, love, and growth. Watching Rihanna and Rocki navigate parenthood together, raising 3 beautiful children while pursuing their respective careers, is both inspiring and heartwarming. Each child seems to reflect the best qualities of their parents: creativity, strength, and individuality. Through the public glimpses shared via red carpet appearances and carefully curated posts, it's evident that their family is built on mutual support, respect, and shared values. creating a nurturing environment for their children to flourish. What makes their family story even more extraordinary is the way they balance their professional lives with personal fulfillment. Rihanna continues to expand her empire with Fenty Beauty, Savage X Fenty, and her music career, demonstrating that motherhood does not limit ambition but can coexist beautifully with it. Similarly, A$AP Rocky's artistry, fashion influence, and entrepreneurial ventures thrive alongside his commitment to fatherhood and partnership. Together, they set a powerful example that being a loving parent, a dedicated partner, and a successful professional is not only possible but can create a richer, more meaningful life. Beyond the milestones, their journey is a celebration of authenticity and self-expression. Rihanna has always encouraged individuality and breaking norms, whether through music, fashion, or business. Now, as a mother of three, she exemplifies that being true to yourself and honoring your personal journey can coexist with building a beautiful family. A$AP Rocky complements this ethos, embracing his unique style, artistic voice, and role as a nurturing father. Their combined energy demonstrates that authenticity is the cornerstone of both personal fulfillment and successful family life. Ultimately, we celebrate Rihanna not just for welcoming Rocki into the world, but for showing all of us how to thrive in multiple roles while remaining true to oneself. Her journey as a mother, artist, and entrepreneur is a testament to resilience, passion, and love. The joy surrounding her expanding family is a reminder to cherish life's milestones, support those we admire, and recognize that balance, love, and authenticity can create a legacy far beyond fame. Congratulations to Rihanna, A$AP Rocky, and their beautiful family. Rocki Irish Mayors is truly joining a world already full of love, creativity, and inspiration. Wow, what a beautiful journey it has been watching Rihanna and A$AP Rocky grow as a couple, and now as parents of three amazing children, including their newest addition, baby Rocki Irish Mayors. From their music and fashion collaborations to the way they nurture their family, they continue to inspire millions around the world. While we celebrate this special moment, it's important to remember that the bigger picture is always focusing on yourself, making sure your mental, physical, spiritual, and financial well-being is healthy, strong, and balanced. It's incredible to see how Rihanna and Rocki managed to maintain such successful careers while prioritizing family, love, and authenticity. Their journey reminds us that you can chase your dreams, shine in your own career, and still create a beautiful, loving life for your family. Life is all about balance, and seeing them do it with such grace is truly inspiring. Moments like these give us a chance to reflect on our own goals, our own passions, and how we can show love and care to ourselves and our loved ones while still pursuing everything we want in life. Before we close out today, I want to thank you all for watching and celebrating with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories, tea, and inspiration. And if you love staying fabulous while enjoying life's moments, check out my press-on nails. Perfect for showing off your style whether you're at home, at work, or celebrating life's special occasions, just like Rihanna and A$AP Rocky are celebrating their beautiful family. Remember, always shine, stay true to yourself, and keep celebrating life's little and big victories.